Welcome to another unboxing with my niece. Today we are going to open Sailor Moon. This is not sponsored by anybody. We bought these on our own. All right. You want to start? Opening?
Yeah.
Right there.
Okay. Got it. I got the first one. I think. Nope.
Venus.
Venus.
Sailor Venus.
It's like those things.
We got Sailor Venus.
She has. I think she's anemic.
You want to do the next one?
Yeah. I think she's really good, and she has to go and read. I think we have a duplicate. Nope.
No.
I never saw this one before. But let's look right here.
There are 1, 2,
We
3,
don't
4,
have.
5, 6, 7 to collect. One's a chase.
And
Okay, we got who we got? You got Sailor Mars.
we never got that one in our
No?
video. That video. But on the other video, my first video, we got the rare. But it was a circle. I was really upset. We got a new one.
Sailor Jupiter.
And Jupiter. Wait, I really want him to get the new one. We need a new one.
Sailor Moon.
Let me see. We got that one.
Now is it?
Wait.
This is the chase.
Sailor Moon is the chase.
We got the chase.
You got the chase. This is Sailor Moon chase figure.
Is this one?
1 in 24.
We got this one. Good job.
Okay, you
last-
want to open last one?
Yeah.
Hopefully it'll be Sailor Mercury
Yeah.
or Luna.
Okay.
Nope.
No, I duplicate.
We got a second Sailor Mars.
These are what we get.
So we got here.
And we can put them on your fingers. And they're really shiny. Ta-da!
So which one's your favorite?
The rare one.
Sailor Moon?
Yeah,
You got Sailor Moon,
my favorite. And my second favorite.
Sailor Venus. Which is your second favorite?
And this is my third favorite. And I think this is my last favorite because I don't really like green.
It's Sailor Jupiter. And
And
Sailor Mars.
again. Please.
Twinsies.
So your favorite is Sailor Moon, huh?
The chase.
And the name of the moon?
Moon? Cave? I don't know.
She fights for love and justice.
Really?
Yeah.
That's why she's the chase.
That's what Sailor Moon is. She stands for love and justice.
That's why she's the chase.
Yes, that's why she's the chase.
Da 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 da. It's cool.
Well, thank you for watching another unboxing from Right at the Light. And we'll see you next time.
We are glad about please like and
Yeah.
subscribe.
We haven't finished yet.
Oh.
But go right ahead.
Please thumbs up and smash that like button. And subscribe.
And please subscribe. We'll see you next time.
Yay!
Bye.
Why you're showing them? Brave